Cash App bank account required? Let's settle this. Ever heard of that friend who seems to live on Cash App? Sending money for pizza, splitting concert tickets, even getting paid for gigs, it's all happening through that little green icon. But what if you're new to the game? Maybe you're wondering, do I need a whole bank account just to use Cash App? Hold on, don't reach for your debit card just yet. Because the answer might surprise you. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Cash App to see if a bank account is the key that unlocks its features, or if you can hop in and join the digital cash flow without one. Let's face it, traditional banking can feel clunky sometimes. Statements arrive weeks later, transferring money feels like an obstacle course, and those minimum balance fees? Ugh. Cash App promises a quicker, smoother way to manage your money. But can it truly replace a bank account, or is it more like a cool sidekick to your existing financial setup? The big reveal, bank account? Not mandatory. All right, don't make us wait any longer. Here's the good news, you do not need a bank account to use Cash App. That's right, you can create an account, send and receive money, and even get a virtual debit card called the Cash App card, all without ever linking your bank details. This might be a game changer for folks who are new to managing their finances or prefer to keep their bank accounts separate. Maybe you're a freelancer who gets paid through Cash App and wants to keep it all digital. Or perhaps you're a teenager just starting to handle your own money. Cash App offers a safe and accessible way to get your feet wet in the world of digital transactions. But wait, there's more to the story. While you can technically use Cash App without a bank account, there are definitely some limitations to consider. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros of using Cash App without a bank account. Easy setup. Creating a Cash App account takes just a few minutes. No need to fill out lengthy forms or wait for approvals. Accessibility. Anyone 18 or older can sign up, regardless of their banking situation. Multiple ways to add cash. Top up your Cash App balance with cash deposits at participating retailers, or even use your debit card, though a small fee applies. Sending and receiving money. Cash App facilitates quick and easy money transfers between friends and family. Cons of using Cash App without a bank account. Limited features. Some functionalities, like direct deposit or instant cash outs, are only available when you link a bank account. Fees. Adding cash with a debit card incurs a fee, and withdrawing funds to a non-linked account might involve additional charges. Lower sending limits. The maximum amount you can send without a linked bank account is smaller than for verified users. Security concerns. While Cash App utilizes security features, some users might feel more comfortable with the added protection of a linked bank account. So, bank account or no bank account? You decide. Ultimately, the decision depends on how you plan to use Cash App. If you just need a platform for occasional money transfers with friends or want to explore the world of digital payments, a bank account isn't a must. But if you plan to use Cash App more extensively, like managing your income or making frequent purchases, linking a bank account unlocks its full potential and offers a more seamless experience. Cash App hacks and hidden gems. Before we wrap it up, here are a few bonus tips for using Cash App, regardless of whether you have a bank account linked. Boost your account. Cash App offers features like Boost where you can get discounts on purchases at certain stores. Keep an eye out for these deals to save some extra cash. Invest your spare change. Cash App allows you to invest your spare change from everyday purchases into stocks. It's a fun way to dip your toes into the investment world. Get paid with Cash App. If you're a freelancer or have a side hustle, consider requesting payments directly to your Cash App. It's a faster and more convenient alternative to traditional methods. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy spending or saving with Cash App.